My name's Abby Grimm. I'm an environmental studies major and a sustainable food systems minor from Larchmont, New York. Food has been probably the most important thing to me throughout my life. Right now, I probably interact more with agriculture and growing food, but when I grew up, I was just really into cooking and the ingredients, all the ways that the food got to my table and me cooking it. I'd always been aware of Chez Panisse, trailblazers in the farm-to-table dining scene. Shot them an email one day. I asked if they could take any interns. Luckily for me, I was able to do that because I was compensated for my time through Santa Clara. So I applied to get a REAL grant, which is a Real Experiences Applied Learning grant through the College of Arts and Sciences. I'd often make the soup for the cafe. By the end of the summer, I got to a point where I made the soup and I let my sous chef try it, and she had no notes. So that was a really big moment for me. Every cook knew intimately all the farms that we were sourcing every single thing from. Staff would frequently go and visit all the farms and know all the farmers. I feel like food has the power to be a real conduit to connection. It helps people connect through their shared histories and their shared passions. I'm a garden apprentice here at the garden, which means that I am part of a 4-student team under my garden manager who are responsible for the day-to-day operations at the garden. We also support various programming the Forge does, such as hosting volunteer hours every week, running a farm stand that's open to the community every week. I don't know if I went to a bigger school if I would have been able to get leadership roles at multiple different student organizations like I have now. I think that's a pretty special Santa Clara thing to have all these different roles like really within reach, and there's just so many things available to students here. How to be a good person and how to be a good person for others and how to live morally and ethically soundly. That's definitely always something that's been on my mind growing up. I know that I want to do something that is able to impact different communities and bring people together around agriculture or something in the culinary arts. Just bringing people together through food is what I want to do